how to make no one can see the things you follow on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see the things you follow on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here you will find this one, followers and public content, and then just click here and select only me, and now go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.